everyone, Pawan this side. Now I will give you full and final demo of my this project. So here you can see that I have done some changes in my code and database as well. That's why it's showing some changes like previously it's showing testing, but I have changed to and some changes regarding I created some taxonomy, so that also come in my CI CD. As I discussed previously, I have implemented CI CD in my pipeline as well. So I'm going to commit all the changes. So once I commit all changes, you can see my pipeline will start. It's committed. Now I'm going to push. So now I will go on my pipeline. I'm going to refresh this one, and you can see that yeah, final test. It's started. I created this project as a high level, so I directly committed in the main branch. Now you can see that the Terraform plan started. Previously, I already show you the Terraform folder. So you can see that this is the Terraform folder. Here we have mentioned all code for creating infrastructure. So now our pipeline is checking that everything is working fine or not. If something changes in the Terraform, it will change. Otherwise, it will verify and no issues. You can see that Terraform plan is done. Now it's asking for review. It's a manual review. So I'm going to approve this one. I already got a mail for this. So I'm directly approved here. And now the pipeline will start. The next job, I will show you the summary. It's taking time. Yeah, approve and apply, that also done. The next plan is, so you can see that my pipeline is building and pushing process started. So previously, if you remember that on the code side it's showing Pawan Sharma testing, but as we discussed, I have changed this text and created a new taxonomy in the database. So once all things are deployed on ECS Fargate, I will show you the real changes and I will show you the real image as well. So I will show you the AWS side. You can see that in the container history, this is the last image which pushed by pipeline, and you can see the time 1940. All right, but right now our pipeline is working. So once everything is deployed, it will take the latest image. So you can see that build and push the image process completed. Now it's checking Xperience CD sync. It means database changes. If you remember, we did some database changes, we created some taxonomy, so that changes will deploy on the prod database. All right, so you can see that the pipeline successfully completed. All the things are deployed on AWS side. I will show you on the AWS side. So previously, if you remember, the image was 1940, but recently you can see that it's 2142. It's this image comes recently. All right, so this is the latest image where our new changes, everything's there. Now I will show you the task definition. So this is our ECS, and in the ECS, if I show you, the new task definition, it's created. So dancing goat task 24, I hope, yeah, recently you can see 2144. Recently it's created, and it had the latest image. You can see this image which recently. And one more thing I will tell you that here I'm using secret manager for storing the connection string as per security. So this is the second thing. And if I go in the log management, and I will tell you that all logs are mentioned here. If any issue comes or it's successfully done, then you can see that. So you can see that all things started, completed, everything's running perfectly. And the database change, you can see that restoring object, restoring operation successfully finished. It means database changes, and that changes, code part change completely done. So if I show you, if you remember previously was this one, now I'm refreshing this, and you can see that the text change because last time we changed this thing. So this is the entire full and fresh flow which I done. And I want to add one more thing here, that on AWS side, I'm showing you one by one which services using and how it's connecting each other. But to be honest, I am not creating any service on console AWS. Everything is created by only Terraform. And one more thing, that if I want to delete entire infrastructure or AWS for this project, I just need to write a command, and that will destroy all things. So that is the beauty of Terraform, and we can manage each and everything. And one more thing, that uh, yeah, I think all done. So thank you so much, guys, and see you soon in the next video. Keep me support. Thank you.